Hi, I'm Jared Dillingham in Rome. You know, it can be really stressful and kind of confusing after flying into a foreign airport, trying to figure out how to get from the airport into this brand new city. Today, I want to show you exactly how easy that is to do right here in Rome.
After landing in Rome, you'll be relieved at how easy it is to use the Leonardo Express to get into the city. You'll see signs for it as you walk from the gate area through the terminal, so just follow the train station signs after baggage claim and customs. You'll easily find the big red Trenitalia ticket kiosks. Using the touch screen, change it to English, and you'll likely select one of the main stations in central Rome, like Roma Termini. Click the Leonardo Express, and you'll see it's €14 from the airport into Rome, and they accept any of the major credit cards. Now keep your ticket in case a conductor walks through to scan it, and keep it handy when you exit because you'll need to scan the ticket in order to leave the train station. Now head to the big board to look for your track. We are taking the top train there to Roma Termini at 11:08, which is on track 3. From there, it's a scan of the ticket's QR code to get onto the platform. Here's track 3, and there is our train. Now, if we'd missed this one, there's another one in 20 minutes. Here's a look inside the Leonardo Express train. Decent seats and plenty of room for luggage, and the ride into Rome is about 30 minutes. You can walk from the main station if your hotel is close, or take the subway or metro to a closer stop. It's just another ticket kiosk, a few more euros, and a matter of finding the stop close to your hotel. For us, Google Maps says we're going on the Orange A line, 4 stops down to Spagna. You may get lucky and hit an empty platform, or you might have to battle a crowd with your luggage, but either way, it's just a few more minutes on the metro, and then it's time to start exploring Rome.